So I was at my brother's house over the weekend, and I got some of these little ice plants right here. I do have these ice plants in my own landscape. The ones I have a yellow flower. These ones have a purple flower. I saw them at his house and I said, give me some of those ice plants. They're kind of like a succulent almost. They don't have a lot of color. They have these tiny little flowers that come out when it's sunny. So I've got these little sprigs. I would consider these to be called sprigs. They don't even have many roots. I'm gonna plant them and I'm gonna see if they go. So I don't know if these are gonna survive or not. I'm just gonna put them right here. So like that. And here's another one like that. I'm just gonna put some dirt on there, like that. So the beds are in need of a lot of work. I have not spent any time on the beds. I've got some serious weed issue going on over there. I've got dandelions growing in here. I've got dandelions growing in here as well. My beds are starting to pop up, but they are nasty. So this is one of my many lawnmowers right here. This is an old Yard Machines mower. I think it's about a 2006 or a 2005. It's not a fancy mower. It's got an old Briggs on it. Oh, she's out of gas. And so I'm out of gas here. Need to go get my gas out of my truck that's in the back. So this is a good opportunity to kind of show the backyard. It's been raining for the past 2 days. So look at the vole damage that I had here. See how thin it is right here? You can see the dirt in several places, and it's gonna recover though. It's starting to look better and better every day. So I got my truck back here. I should have some gasoline right here. Holy crap, that's heavy. So this little thing right here is broke. That's the sure can. I left it outside next to my house and somehow that melted. I do not know how that happened. I think the hot sun and something to do with that melted it. It's got non-ethanol fuel in this can. That's the only gas I've got. So my truck is back here in the weeds because the high pressure fuel line on cylinder number 4 broke on me and was spraying diesel all over the place. It's an easy fix. It costs about 50 bucks for the part, but it's a pisser because that's the second time I've replaced that. So that was annoying. So this mower right here, it's an old MTD Yard Machine mower with Briggs motor. I tell you, this thing does not stop going. I love this machine. This is a push mower, not a self-propelled mower. And this thing has miles and miles and miles and miles of use on it. Come on, get off there. But this thing is flipping awesome. I love this mower. So this mower, it goes no matter what you do to it. It's been sitting all winter long. Didn't do anything to winterize it. No fuel stabilizer, nothing. And this thing has a little primer bulb. Just push it like 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 pushes. You pull it and it starts up first time. And this thing's old and it just keeps going and going and going. I've got the thing lowered down all the way as far as it'll go down. And I use the bagger. I'm just gonna finish mowing this. I mowed from here over last night. Now I'm gonna mow from here over this way tonight. So watch this. I primed it 4 times and it will probably go. So this mower's been beat to heck. I've used this thing for years and years and years. This mower just keeps going and going. The quality of cut actually on those mowers is actually pretty good. I put it all the way down and I go for it. I'll probably mow this one more time with the rotary mower, and then I'm gonna bust out the triplex or my walk behind cylinder mower. this is not one of those enjoy the mow type experiences with this mower. This is a push mower. You push it. It does not self-propel itself. So, although I do love to enjoy the mow, this is not necessarily one of those times. I like the cut that this thing gives, but it's a workout for sure. So I finished this right before it's about to rain. It's been raining kind of all day. The grass is wet. There's quite a bit of chattering going on with that blade. It doesn't rotate as fast as the other Honda. It doesn't cut as good. And I think it has to do everything with the RPM. See all these clippings on the lawn kind of everywhere? That's the kind of stuff that I just mentally cannot handle. So that's why I bag. And even with this bagger mower, it still left a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna finish the rest of the lawn tomorrow when I get my Honda back. It's in the shop, getting a high altitude jet put in, a new spring, and a new spark plug, covered under warranty, minus the jet, which is bull crap, by the way. I've probably got one more mow with the rotary, and then I'm gonna use the cylinder mower. And that's coming just in a few days. I am looking forward to that. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.